Good morning.
Good morning. Table for one? Good morning. I'm actually meeting someone. Good morning. Yes, please. Can I sit by the window over there?
Of course. Have a seat. Here is the menu. Can I get you started with a drink?
Yes, I'd like a latte with oat milk, please. And a glass of tap water. Certainly. I'll be right back with your drinks.
Here is your latte and water. Are you ready to order food?
Yes. I see you have the ham and cheese toast. Does that come with tomatoes?
It usually doesn't, but we can add fresh tomatoes for you.
That would be perfect. I'll have that, please. And maybe a small orange juice as well.
Great choice. Yeah.
I have a meeting soon. Will the food take long?
Not at all. It's simple to make. It will be ready in about 5 to 10 minutes.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Can I get you anything else right now?
Grab.
Where you got anything? No, that's everything. Just one question. Where is the restroom?
It's in the back, just around the corner on the right.
That's a huge thing. And that's really important for your relationships, for your family.
I'll put your order in. You can pay at the counter whenever you are ready to leave.
Perfect. Thank you.
Good morning, madam. Table for one?
Good morning. Yes, please. Can I sit by the window?
Certainly. Right this way. Here is the menu.
Thank you. I'm ready to order, but I have a dietary restriction. I have a severe dairy allergy. I understand.
So absolutely no milk, butter, cheese, or yogurt, correct?
Exactly. I need to be very careful.
Don't worry. We take allergies very seriously.
Rather be nice to remind Mary. I'd like the scrambled eggs, but do you cook them with butter?
Usually, yes. But I can ask the chef to cook them with olive oil for you instead.
That would be wonderful. What about the bread?
The baguette and the sourdough are dairy-free. Avoid the brioche, as it contains butter and eggs.
Noted. I'll have the scrambled eggs with olive oil, 2 slices of sourdough toast with jam, and a fruit salad.
Excellent choice. Excellent choice. Would you like coffee or tea?
Earl Grey tea, please. Do you have any plant-based milk?
Yes, we have almond milk and oat milk.
Almond milk. Almond milk would be perfect.
I'll put that order in for you right away.
Are you staying with us for a few days?
Yes, 3 more nights.
I will make a note in our system about your allergy so the kitchen knows for the rest of your stay.
That is very thoughtful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your breakfast, Emma.
Excuse me, waiter. Hang on.
Yes, ma'am? Is everything all right?
Actually, no. I'm afraid there is a problem. My soup is cold.
Oh, I am terribly sorry to hear that. It should be serving hot.
It smells delicious, but it is lukewarm at best.
I apologize. We are extremely busy today, so it might have been sitting on the pass for too long.
I understand it's busy, but I would like to eat it hot.
Of course. Let me take this back to the kitchen immediately. I will bring you a fresh, hot bowl.
Thank you. Överå. Növerpissvikers. Enier wiver pork binder histang.
Would you like some bread while you wait?
No, thank you. I'll just wait for the soup.
Here you go. A fresh bowl of fish soup. Be careful. The bowl is piping hot. I'm glad. The vegetables in there are fresh from the local farm.
I can taste the difference. It's very flavorful.
I see you are looking outside. The view is lovely, isn't it?
Yes. The lake looks so peaceful today. It's a nice place for lunch.
Indeed. It's the best table in the house.
Well, thank you for fixing the soup so quickly.
My pleasure. Enjoy your meal, Emma.
Thank you.
Hello. Are you finished enjoying your meal?
Yes, thank you. It was delicious. Could I have the check, please?
Of course.
Coming right up.
The total comes to $25.50.
Thank you. I'll pay with a card.
Sure. Please insert your chip right here.
It says read error.
That's strange. Sometimes the machine is a bit temperamental. Could you try swiping it instead?
Okay, let me try. No, it still declined.
It seems our Wi-Fi is acting up today. It might be a connection issue on our end.
Do you happen to have cash?
Let me check. Unfortunately, I only have $10. Is there an ATM nearby?
Yes, there is a bank right around the corner. It's a 2-minute walk.
I'm so sorry. I can leave my ID card here with you while I run to the ATM.
That won't be necessary. You seem trustworthy. I'll be here when you get back.
Thank you. I'm frightened live now. I'll be very quick. I'm back. I'm back. Sorry for the delay.
No problem at all. Hyrintisin Mishinkipit my terrace. Yang was die fin fightis. If you okay, fine.
Here is $30. Please keep the change.
Thank you very much. That is very kind of you. Sorry again about the machine.
Don't worry about it. These things happen.
I'm glad you enjoyed the chocolate cake, though.
Oh, yes. It was the best I've ever had. I'll definitely be back.
We look forward to seeing you again. Have a wonderful afternoon.
You too. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Hello? Did you everything read? Did you find everything okay? Yes, thank you.
Are you paying with cash or card?
Cash, please. Here is a $20 bill.
Thank you. The total is $12.50. And here is your change, $5.50. Have a nice day. Excuse me, I think there is a mistake.
Yes. The total was $12.50, and I gave you $20. The change should be $7.50, not $5.50.
Let me double check. Oh, you are absolutely right. I am so sorry. I miscalculated. I owe you another $2.
No problem. It happens. It happens.
Thank you for understanding. Actually, could I also get a bag, please?
Sure. The bag costs 10 cents.
Okay, you can just take it out of the $2 you owe me. And you owe me.
That works. So instead of $2, here is $1.90. That makes your total change correct now, $7.40. Perfect. Thank you. Are you from around here?
No, I'm visiting from Austin.
Oh, Austin is lovely. Enjoy your time in Chicago. Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye. Goodbye. Yeah.